Hi, I am the student of Python programming, and I took a course of Python programming from Discovery Technologies, and this is the project, a student management system which I made for Python programming course that I am currently doing in Discovery Technologies. So about this project is student management system, and is basically focuses on the management and manipulations of the details of students and faculties, and the generation of the mark sheet based on the student marks. So initially, let us discuss about the structure of this project. The front end or the GUI of this project is made with the help of TK Enter Python, and the database that I attach with it is of SQLite. From details in database, it includes four tables: admin, student, marksheet, and faculty. In admin table, here we look the database admin. Your admin is admin is able to handle all the applications, all the functionalities of the database, is able to manage and manipulates the details of faculties and student, as well as had a role in generation of mark sheet. So, and the faculties have the second priority after admin. Faculties are able to manipulate the marks of the students, and is very useful in the generation of mark sheet. And it also contains faculties. In faculties even also contains the details of the faculties. And in the student table, it contains the details of the students and from which class it belongs to. And in the mark sheet, it contains the marks of the student that the student respectively resides in the student profile table. So let's get started with this project. Let's run this project. And initially the window is open is of the starting window, the login window. It contains three login: admin, faculty, and student. One by one we see in that login. Initially we look at admin login. So in the database, let's look at the database. In the admin database, there are two entries. From anyone we can log in. So we try with this second one, Salim 127. Okay, we fill that entry. As you see, the admin screen is pop up, and it contains various functions. This is the faculty and student management. The delete frame, and this is the view frame, and this is made up with the help of TK Enter Python, which gets tree view, as it is directly connected with the database in the SQLite. It also contains student details, faculty, student. And in the next page, this is the mark sheet. Tree view, and it contains all the marks and of the students in the subjects, and this is the average passing marks of the three classes that there are in the database, and this is the average passing marks of the subjects which are there in this project. So one by one we will see each of them. So starting with the manipulation and management frame, let's add one faculty in the database. ID will be 1010, let's say. Let's say address will be Mumbai and subject GAD. Okay. So let's add. As you see, there is a changes occur in the tree view, as the entry that we have filled in this entry table is shown in this Vinod. So it is successfully running. The add button. Let's see delete. If you want to delete any record from the database that is requiring the ID, we have to see that ID should be there. Let's check this. So we enter the ID 101, and if we click on the delete button and refresh it, the data is deleted from the database. So we see the manage and delete frames, and this is the all. We can also search any faculty or student on the basis of the name or roll number. Let's see, we search on the name. So from faculty, let's see Zeba, and the record is searched, and we do with the same with student. Let's see Kabir, and this is search, and the Kabir is search from it. So let me see, and we can also view all of them the record by clicking on just view all. Let's see other functions, and this is the tree view of the marksheet table that we discussed earlier. So we click on it, and it shows all the marksheets, all the record that have inputted in it in the database. So on the basis of it, this all functions derived from this marksheet table. So let's average the passing marks of the class 1. So just directly click on class 1, and as you can see, it is shown that the 599.2 is the average passing marks of the class 1, and in the class 2 it is 585.8, and in class 3 it is 599 something is real number. So as we see the average passing marks class, let's see the average passing marks of the individual subjects of all the students. So in Java it is of 91, GAD 90, SEN 92, DCC 89, and MIC 895. So this is all about admin page, and this is same in the manage faculty student has some like same function, so it is not need to be covered. So this is all about admin. Let's see about faculty. In faculty, we have 5 faculty in this database. So and from the 5 we will see two faculty will be logging. So first let's see, login successful, and as you can see, this is manage marks. Zeba Malik will able to manipulate the marks of the student from only from his subject. He cannot able to do with the other subject. So this is, let's see, we enter some things. Let's see, enter Anupam roll number will be and enter the marks of Java out of 100. Let's see, 93, and in term work out of 25, 23, and practical of 5 marks. Out of 5 marks we give 4, and we select the class from which it belongs is like 3. So the changes, let's see, changes will be done. Yeah, the changes will be done here in this table. As you say, Anupam is added in this table, and only the Java sections of the code, it's entered the data, and rest of is all none. So each of the faculty is able to manipulate or change the marks of the student of his or her subject. Is not able to do all with all of them. And search by name. This is the student table, which contains the details of the student. Let's search anything here. Smara, and come here. So this is the faculty, and this is the average passing marks of his subject. Let's see, Java is his subject, Zeba Malik. So show the average passing marks of subject, and this is the average passing marks of Zeba Malik's Java subject. So let's do faculty login with another faculty. Let's see, Ali, and its password is 201. And Ali sir took DCC subject. So let's enter some students in DCC. No, we can also manipulate the marks of Anupam in DCC. So that's Anupam, or take some other name like Zed. Out of 100, 95. Term work will be out of 25, 24. Practical out of 5 will be, let's see, 4. And we have to select the class. Let's see, 2. If we add this, we can see the changes in the mark sheet table. We search Z. Yeah, the entry is added, Z is added, and as you see, only the DCC subject marks as changes, rather all have marked with none, because we didn't added any kind of marks regarding these subjects. So, and view all of the student table. It contains the information that I have discussed for earlier. And let's see the average passing marks of DCC subject. Just click on show. So this 89.64 is the average passing marks of all the students belonging to DCC subject. So this is all of about faculty login, and we have 5 faculty in our database, so all of them have the same function. We see 2 of them, so as to all have same function, though there's no need to discuss about that. So lastly, we took to student login. Say student login. Zayan is the student in our database, and the password is 1 log successfully. So in this, student has the only he can check, only has the function in the student, he can check the mark sheet of his. So let's see, enter the password is the seat number of his. So 18413. View mark sheet. No. So we can view mark sheet there for this. Zayan. Yeah, Zayan. Yeah, this is the mark sheet of Zayan. We can see the mark sheet of Zayan. So this is the only one thing that student can does. So here is all about from this student management systems. And this is three. We see all of three of them: admin, faculty, and student. And yeah, and this is all about from the subject. So thank you. Let's see. Thank you.